Imagine this, it's January 30th, 2015. You have $1,000 and a time machine. You invest $333 in Bitcoin when it's just around $200. Fast forward to today, and that investment is worth over $100,000. Next, you put another $333 into Amazon, trading at about $300 a share. Today, that's skyrocketed to nearly $3,000 a share, giving you around $3,300. Finally, you invest the last $334 in Tesla, then a mere $11 per share. Today, it's over $800, turning your investment into about $24,000. So, let's do the math. Bitcoin, $100,000, Amazon, $3,300, Tesla, $24,000. Totaling over $127,000 from a mere $1,000. It's astonishing how the right choices can turn a small investment into a life-changing fortune in just a decade. Visualize investing just $1,000 in Bitcoin a decade ago. That would have skyrocketed to over $60 million today. Now, let's talk about Amazon. A mere $1,000 investment back then would have grown to around $30,000, thanks to its relentless expansion and innovation in e-commerce. And then there's Tesla. Your $1,000 could have turned into nearly $20,000 as the world shifted towards electric vehicles and sustainable energy. What's the secret sauce behind these incredible returns? It's a mix of visionary leadership, groundbreaking technology, and a little bit of luck. The stories of these companies are not just about numbers, they're about changing the world and redefining industries. The past decade has been nothing short of revolutionary. Picture pouring your hard-earned money into what seems like a golden opportunity. You watch as some investments soar, turning dreams into reality. But then, there are those that plummet, leaving you questioning every decision. What if that shiny stock you believed in suddenly nosedives? It's a roller coaster of emotions, excitement mixed with anxiety. You start to wonder if you misread the signs or if the market just played a cruel joke. The thrill of the chase can quickly turn into a lesson in humility. In the world of finance, it's not just about the wins, it's about navigating the unexpected twists that can redefine your journey. Every choice carries a risk, and sometimes, the biggest surprises come from the bets that don't pay off. Let's dive into Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency that has captivated investors worldwide. Back in January 2015, Bitcoin was trading at around $215. If you had invested $1,000 then, you would have snagged about 4.65 Bitcoins. Fast forward to January 30th, 2025, and that same Bitcoin is valued at approximately $105,836. Your initial investment? A jaw-dropping $492,431. But the road to this incredible valuation wasn't a straight path. Bitcoin faced wild price swings, regulatory challenges, and a fair share of skepticism. Yet, it has solidified its position as a powerhouse in finance. With talks of the US potentially establishing a strategic Bitcoin reserve, we could see its value soar even higher. The journey of Bitcoin is a testament to resilience and innovation in the financial landscape. Take a moment to let that sink in. Imagine turning just $1,000 into nearly $500,000 in just 10 years. That's the power of strategic investing. Now, let's talk about traditional stocks. Historically, the stock market has averaged about a 7% return annually. That's solid, but it pales in comparison to those astronomical gains. Sure, stocks can be a safer bet, providing dividends and stability, but they often lack that explosive growth potential. Consider tech stocks in the last decade. Companies like Apple and Amazon have skyrocketed. But remember, with high rewards come high risks. Market fluctuations can turn profits into losses overnight. So, while traditional stocks offer a reliable path, the thrill of chasing those massive returns in other investments can be hard to resist. It's all about finding the right balance for your financial goals. Amazon has truly transformed the way we shop. Back in January 2015, its stock was priced at around $288 per share. If you had invested $1,000 back then, you could have snagged about 3.47 shares. Fast forward to January 30th, 2025, and the stock is trading at approximately $233.41 per share. That's a significant drop. It makes you wonder about the ups and downs of the market. Amazon, once a powerhouse of growth, is now facing challenges that have impacted its stock performance. It's a reminder that even giants can stumble. Investing is a journey filled with twists and turns, and Amazon's story is just one chapter in the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. Your investment would now be worth approximately $811.92. Surprised? It's fascinating to think about Amazon's incredible growth and its dominance across various sectors. Yet, despite all that, its stock has faced some real hurdles. Market saturation and fierce competition have put a damper on its performance. While Amazon has boldly expanded into cloud computing and entertainment, the stock hasn't reflected the same explosive growth we've seen with Bitcoin. It's a reminder that even giants can stumble. The tech landscape is ever-changing, and what seems like a sure bet can sometimes lead to unexpected outcomes. It's a complex dance of innovation and market forces, and it keeps us all on our toes. The electric car revolution is here, and it's not just about saving the planet, it's about redefining the future of transportation. Tesla, the trailblazer, has certainly charged ahead with groundbreaking innovations like autopilot and supercharging stations. But let's not overlook the challenges. Supply chain issues, battery shortages, and fierce competition from traditional automakers are real roadblocks. In fact, while Tesla was busy expanding, rivals like Ford and GM ramped up their electric offerings, making the race tighter than ever. And then there's the question of infrastructure. Are we ready for a world where charging stations are as common as gas pumps? The answer might shock you. Despite the hurdles, the demand for electric vehicles is skyrocketing. Consumers are eager for change, and that momentum is hard to stop. So, while Tesla may have faced bumps in the road, the electric car revolution is just getting started, and it's electrifying. Tesla, the brainchild of Elon Musk, has truly revolutionized the automotive industry. Back in January 2015, Tesla's stock was just $13.57 per share. Imagine investing $1,000 then, you would have snagged about 73.7 shares. Fast forward to January 30th, 2025, and that same stock has skyrocketed to around $393.51 per share. Your investment would now be worth an astonishing $29,000. Tesla's journey is a roller coaster of innovation and controversy. From mass-producing electric vehicles to pioneering advancements in AI and energy solutions, Tesla has become synonymous with futuristic innovation. Analysts have even likened its impact to a Cambrian explosion in technology. It's not just a car company, it's a movement reshaping our world. It's incredible to think that a $1,000 investment in Tesla could outperform Amazon, a company that seemed unstoppable. Just a few years ago, Amazon was the gold standard of growth, dominating e-commerce and cloud computing. But then Tesla, with its bold vision and relentless innovation, took the spotlight. While Amazon was busy expanding its empire, Tesla was revolutionizing the auto industry, pushing boundaries with electric vehicles and autonomous driving. Imagine if you had invested that $1,000 in Tesla back when it was still a gamble. Today, that investment could be worth several times more than if you had put it into Amazon. It's a striking reminder of how quickly the tides can turn in the world of investing. The lesson here? Sometimes, the underdog can become the champion, and it pays to keep an eye on the disruptors. In the race of innovation, it's not always the biggest player that wins, sometimes, it's the one daring enough to challenge the status quo. If you found this exploration eye-opening, consider the incredible opportunities we missed back in 2015. Imagine investing in Bitcoin when it was just a few $100s. Fast forward to today, and that investment would have skyrocketed. Or think about tech stocks like Amazon and Apple, both were on the rise, but who could have predicted their explosive growth? And let's not forget about renewable energy. Companies like Tesla were just starting to gain traction. Reflecting on those choices, it's fascinating to think about how different our financial landscape could be. What would you have invested in back then? Share your thoughts in the comments below.